New York City child support lawyer in New York. Both parents are legally required to provide financial support for their children until the age of 21 or until the child becomes legally emancipated. Whether a couple is separated or divorced, both parties are responsible for contributing to the child's well-being. This is crucial for ensuring that the child has access to the necessary resources for their everyday life and future. For parents navigating child support, understanding the legal framework and financial obligations is essential. A New York child support lawyer can help guide you through this process, ensuring that both parents meet their responsibilities fairly and lawfully. Understanding the legalities of child support is not a suggestion but a legal obligation. The parent without primary custody is typically responsible for making regular payments to the custodial parent to cover the child's essential needs, such as food, housing, and education. Even if parents share custody, the higher-earning parent may still be required to pay child support. It's important to understand the potential legal consequences if a parent does not fulfill their obligation. Non-payment of child support in New York can lead to wage garnishment, loss of driving privileges, or even criminal penalties. For those unsure about their rights or obligations under New York child support laws, consulting with an attorney can provide clarity and guidance. Failure to follow a court-ordered child support agreement can have severe consequences, so having experienced legal assistance is vital to avoid penalties. Who pays child support in New York? In New York, both parents are required to support their children financially, regardless of their custody arrangement. A common misconception is that shared custody negates the need for child support. In reality, the primary custodial parent usually receives support from the non-custodial parent. Even in shared custody situations, the parent earning more may still need to make payments to ensure financial balance. The state uses specific guidelines to determine child support amounts. These include a percentage of the combined parental income based on the number of children. For one child, the percentage is 17%, and it increases with additional children. These percentages are meant to ensure fairness and consistency across all cases. A lawyer can assist with understanding how these guidelines apply to your case, ensuring that the child support order is appropriate and enforceable. What is child support and how is it calculated? Child support is a legally mandated payment from one parent to another for the care and maintenance of their child. Basic child support covers essentials like food, shelter, and clothing, while add-ons might include healthcare, childcare, education, and extracurricular activities. The amount is calculated based on the combined income of both parents. After determining each parent's income, the court applies a percentage depending on the number of children involved. For instance, 17% of the combined income goes to child support for one child, while 25% goes toward two children, and so on. In New York, the earning cap for child support calculations is adjusted periodically, ensuring that payments reflect current economic conditions. Whether you're negotiating the initial support agreement or seeking modifications, it's crucial to have legal assistance from an experienced attorney. Consequences of failing to pay child support. Failure to pay child support can have serious repercussions. If a parent refuses to pay, the custodial parent has the right to file a petition with the court. If the non-payment is determined to be willful, the court can enforce actions such as wage garnishment, intercepting tax refunds, or even seizing property. In severe cases, a parent may face criminal charges or the loss of professional licenses. At the law office of Ryan Besinque, the attorneys work diligently to ensure that parents understand their responsibilities and rights. They help navigate the complexities of child support law and represent clients in legal proceedings when necessary. If a modification is needed due to changes in circumstances, such as a job loss or increased expenses, the law firm can assist in requesting an adjustment to the child support order. If you are facing challenges with your child support agreement or need to modify an existing order, contact the law office of Ryan Besinque at 929-251-4477. Visit their office at 115 West 25th Street, 4th floor, New York, New York, 10001, United States.